Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the target, 301, 501, or your chosen score. Pick who throws first and arm yourself with a pen, phone counter, or app. This prevents disputes. Immediately write the starting value and label players. Once done, record each 3-dart turn as one entry. You track subtraction, not addition, so subtract turn totals from the running score. Make sure to announce remaining score aloud after each turn. That keeps both players aligned and avoids calculation errors. Once play is underway, keep a firm rhythm. After each 3 darts, compute previous score minus the turn total and update the running number. Use shorthand on paper and in your head, T20 equals 60, D10 equals 20, so you can write compact notes and avoid clutter. Group each 3-dart turn on one line. Once you see a checkout number like 170, 100, or 32, announce it and suggest routes. This helps both players plan finishes and reduces mid-game confusion. You finish by ensuring the final subtraction reaches 0 with a legal double or bull. If the dart that would finish does not hit a double, the score stands and play continues. If anyone disputes the running score, immediately pause and recount the last 1 to 3 turns out loud, comparing marks, make the correction, and resume. Finally, write the final scores and winner. Note any memorable checkouts. This preserves fairness, helps rematches, and improves your counter accuracy next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.